Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 VW Touran R Line. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 40 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 8,000 miles and comes with full service history from VW. This particular colour is the metallic Indium grey and looks in great condition, fares your mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. Being the R Line, you also get the sports seats and the sports steering wheel. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and full window controls. The Touran's a great car for the family, so really nice wide door opening, nice easy access if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. Lots of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own picnic tables and also control of their own air vents there in the centre as well. And opening the tailgate, it says reveals the third row seats there, as well as when they're folded, you've got a really good sized boot. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got your parcel shelf stored away, so that's nice and neatly packed away for you. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and a colour reversing camera on this model. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.